Hey guys, my name is Connor Vetter. I'm a director and acting teacher at the Spartanburg Youth Theatre, and I'm also a professional actor right here in Spartanburg. I'm here today at the Spartanburg County Library with my friend Emmett.
Hi, I'm Emmett Overkarsh. I've been an actor at the Spartanburg Youth Theatre for about 5 years, and I've been a student under Connor for about 2. I'm attending the South Carolina Governor's School for the Arts and Humanities as a drama student this fall, and I'm very excited to help teach you about acting.
So, what I didn't mention before when I was introducing myself is that I'm also an actor in Spartanburg's first, finest, and only improv troupe, Sparkle City Improv. So what I'm here to do today is teach you guys some fun improv games that'll help get your creativity brewing and might help you be entertained at home as we're all quarantining and stuck at home during COVID. So let's learn some games. The first game that Emma and I are going to teach you today is called Try That On for Size. So the first thing that you need to do is get a suggestion of a sport or a household chore. You could ask mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa, aunt, uncle, brother, sister, friend, Google, anything. So, can I get a suggestion of a household chore?
Emptying the dishwasher.
Emptying the dishwasher. So what we're going to do is, Emmett and I are going to, one of us, we'll start with me, is going to find a physicality for emptying the dishwasher. So what that means is we're going to find a physical movement that we can repeat over and over and over again that looks like emptying the dishwasher. So here's what I'm going to do. As you can see, I'm picking the plate up out of my dishwasher, and I'm very lucky because my cabinets are right above my dishwasher, and I'm putting my plate in the dishwasher. So what we're going to do now is Emmett and I are both going to start doing that movement at the same time. Here we go. And we're not changing it, we're doing the same thing over and over again, and we're doing the same thing as each other. So, once we start doing this repeated movement, what we're going to do is, I'm going to tell Emmett, I'm putting away the dishes, try that on for size. Now what Emmett's going to do is, he's going to think of something that looks similar to this, and he's going to say that he's doing that instead. So, go ahead, Emmett.
I'm organizing my record collection.
And then he's going to say, try that on for size.
Try that on for size.
And we're going to keep going back and forth until one of us can't think of something. So let's start over again. Let's get a new household chore. Can I get a household chore?
Making the bed.
Ooh, making the bed, a very good one. Why don't you come up with a physicality for making the bed?
That needs to be repeated.
Yes.
There's a wrinkle on the couch.
Yeah. Good, and then go ahead and let me know what you're doing.
I'm making my bed. Try that on for size.
I'm petting a very long dog. Try that on for size.
I'm trying to paint this floor, but only with my hand. Try that on for size.
I'm pushing all of this flooded water off my counter. Try that on for size.
I'm trying to use the force. Try that on for size.
I'm straightening my sister's hair with my hands. Try that on for size.
I'm trying to tell people to stay 6 feet away from me. Try that on for size.
That's a good one. I'm telling someone that there's a hole right here in the road. Try that on for size.
I'm trying to get my brother from stop eating my food. Try that on for size.
I'm falling off my surfboard. Try that on for size.
I'm waving at ants on the ground. Try that on for size.
I'm conducting miniature traffic. Try that on for size.
I'm conducting a band, but they have to play really quiet.
Ooh,
Try that on for
that's
size.
clever. I am out! Emmett wins! So this is a ridiculous fun game that will be sure to keep you entertained for a long time. Just remember, acting, comedy, and improv is your time to play and explore. Don't let anybody judge your choices, just have fun. And come hang out with us at Spartanburg Youth Theatre.
Be sure to check out the Spartanburg Youth Theater's Storybook Live series, where they're going to be featuring the story The Dot, tomorrow, January 29th.